All right, so it's not nearly as active as what we saw this time yesterday, and that's both good and bad. Good because, well, we're not having to worry about the potential for severe storms, large-sized hail, or even just heavy downpours. The bad news is, well, we're not seeing any rain, which we could always use, and we're not seeing cooler temperatures as a result of that rain. 97 right now to the Midland Airport, and 26% humidity, and winds from the southeast gives us, feels like temperatures not too terribly bad. Although a few places certainly on the warmer side. We're looking at upper 90s, lower triple digits across the board. 100 for Seminole, Carlsbad, 102 for Pecos, 103 for Big Bend, and even 102 for Snyder. All right, we'll deal with it in the meantime, but we do have to watch out for those heat advisories now extending into Big Spring and Snyder. The rest of the region not seeing that just yet, and I say just yet because we got a big old heat wave coming into our area. Expect those heat advisories to become a lot more widespread. Radar-wise, it is empty. Just a little bit of those cumulus clouds right along the I-20 corridor, maybe giving us a quick little bit of shade here and there, but it's just quickly kind of staying out of our area. As we move into tonight, we're going to drop down to only 77, despite the fact that we have those clear skies. So what's going on here? Well, we have that southerly wind, and now it's going to keep bringing in very dry air, but also very warm air. Yeah, I think you guys get exactly where we're going with this. So what does that mean for your grilling forecast? Well, it's going to be a great afternoon to go outside. Just make sure you stay hydrated, lather up on that sunscreen, and take some breaks in the shade because we're already going to be in those upper 90s, lower triple digits throughout much of the afternoon and evening. Future track wise, there's just no activity whatsoever throughout the weekend. So if you got to run errands, by all means, weather is not going to get in your way. It's just going to be very hot at the end of the day, even going into your Sunday and even to your Monday. Really high pressure as that old high pressure moves out. The new one's moving in. It's going to be pushing its way into our region and really developing going into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for next week. What does that mean for us? It means very hot, very dry air, potential not just widespread heat advisories, but maybe even some red flag warnings too, given how hot and dry it is. And well, it might lead to increased fire risks. Hottest day looks to be more toward middle of next week, Wednesday or Thursday. Those are going to be some of those rougher days, but I mean, we've dealt with it before, and it probably won't be the last time we see it either. Jolena?
Yay. I'm so excited.